she's putting all of our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able.
Welcome, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karine Okafor, and welcome back to Karine's Concept, where we do everything home interior, from decorating to styling tips, haul, fashion, vlogs, and storytelling. I will be taking you guys into a new world of thrifting and antiquing so that you can get some of the stuff you need in your home at a very reasonable price. If everything you've heard so far sound up your alley, why don't you subscribe to my channel, guys? Loads of people have been watching my video, but up to now they haven't subscribed to my channel. Guys, we're trying to build this from the bottom, so please join me. Let's do this together, and I will really appreciate it. And I want to use this opportunity to thank each and everyone that has subscribed to my channel, to thank each and everyone that has been watching my video. Guys, you don't know how much I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it, and thank you guys for supporting me. I'll normally do a sit down video at this segment or part of my content, but I've decided to do a video standing up, and the reason why it ties down to why we are here today, why you click on that thumbnail. So today's video, I will be giving you tips and tricks on how to shop the Zara sale. If I tell you I bought this dress on a sale, you will not believe me, will you? Yeah, I did. I bought it on a sale. I bought it 2 years ago from Zara on a sale. Yeah, trust me, I did. And the top, I bought it on a sale. This would have cost me a lot of money if I wanted to buy it full price, but I decided to wait a little bit. I waited and I got it on a sale. This type of dress I'll get from Carrie, very expensive Carrie, if you guys know Carrie. Their quality, their craftsmanship, it's another level, top notch, and it will cost me hundreds and hundreds of pounds. But I did buy this from Zara, and I love it. You know what? Look at what you can get on a sale. And the party is at the back. So if you want to know how to shop the sale, like I do shop the sale, if you want to know the tips, the tricks on how to shop Zara sale, because I know their sale is going on at the moment, stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get down to it. I know there've been controversy and loads of people boycotting Zara as a company as a whole. But personally, I don't get involved. I love shopping the Zara sale, and I love the end of year sale. So I just wanted to put it out there. And I know like this type of content appeals a lot to female audience. But if I do have any male audience, I would say you might need these tips, tricks in shopping the Zara sale. I think the tips, the tricks are all valuable, so you will need it when you're shopping Zara as a whole. So I just wanted to put it out there. Another disclaimer is that I don't endorse fast fashion. Fast fashion is not my thing. I don't shop trendy stuff. Most of my pieces are all classic. So that means these are stuff I will wear year in and year out. You subscribe to my channel, you think I'll be going to the shop and showing you what's new in all the time. I'm not doing that because I don't endorse fast fashion. It's not my thing, and I will never endorse it. But what I will do is show you how you can integrate new stuff into your wardrobe. I will always advise you to always shop your wardrobe first, see what you have in stock and see what you're lacking in. So for you to create a long-lasting wardrobe, you need to buy, to start with, quality stuff, premium stuff. You need to know how to shop premium stuff. You need to know how to shop things that are durable, things that will last you the test of time. And how do you shop premium stuff? Is knowing the fabric content. Personally, I want to know, is it cotton? Is it wool? Is it cashmere? The first tip is to get the app. You can't do Zara sale and save yourself some coins if you don't get the app. It's impossible to do that. I would say the reason why it's very important that you get the app is the fact that if you want to really invest, or if you want to engage in the whole process of shopping the sale, you can't every second or every minute run to your desktop or your laptop. It will not be practical. It will not be convenient. So on your phone, if you have a smartphone, you get the app, because Zara sale takes a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience. You need to be on it. And you can't be doing that from your desktop or from your laptop. That's very impossible. I tell you, I check every 5 minutes. So the first thing first, you get the app. Sign up to the app on your phone, and then the second thing is you need to sign up to their newsletter. So in a nutshell, basically what I'm saying, if you sign up to your newsletter, you get informed if there's an imminent sale or if they are doing like price reduction and all that stuff, and if you get notified too when stuff are back in stock and all that. So you get like a good insight into what they are doing as a company. So it's very important you get the app. It's very important you sign up to the newsletter. And thirdly, I would say you have to create a wish list. Bang on that enough. It's very important. It's very vital. It's very paramount that you create yourself a wish list. You creating your wish list means you know what you need. You know what you're lacking in your wardrobe. You are not going to shop endlessly. Not having what you need in mind, that means you're just going to buy anything. And I don't shop like that. I shop my wardrobe and see what's lacking in my wardrobe. And then I go and explore the Zara website, and then I create myself a wish list. So I'm going into this battle ready, if you know what I mean. So create yourself a wish list. Know what you're lacking, know what you need, and then create yourself a wish list. Created yourself a wish list. Another benefit of creating yourself a wish list is sometimes when you've put stuff in your cart, that will take me to the next tip. When you put stuff in your cart, by the time you reconvene for the sale, the stuff that are in your cart, some of them will be missing. I don't know where they go to. I don't know if Zara steal them, but I'm speaking from experience, So times that I don't create a wish list, by the time I go back to the cart, some of my stuff are missing. They must be stolen, but it's not there. So what I tend to do is go back to my wish list, and then I can easily in sec replace those stuff back to my cart. But if you haven't created a wish list, then you have to go back and start exploring, and maybe you will not even have the chance to do that, because the thing is, an hour 30 minutes before time, Zara, their whole website go on standstill. It just stops. You can't even get in. And if you're inside, you can't get out. So that's what I mean, basically. So you have to create yourself a wish list. I can't bang on that enough. Create yourself a wish list. It will save you a lot. Next thing is to put your faves in your cart. Make sure everything you want out of the first day on the sale is already in your cart. So you go, like the day before, just check out what you want and then just put them in your cart and wait. What I would say personally, because I've shopped Zara sale for a long time, and because I do have a large wardrobe, for the last 3 years, I've not shopped on the first day of a sale. At this point, I'm going to shop Zara sale, but I'm not doing it for the first 3 weeks. No, I'm not doing it because the price is ridiculously high, and I'm not doing it. But the thing is, previously, what I would do is I would get my non-negotiables first on the first day. So what is a non-negotiable? A non-negotiable is that pieces or that item that you can't live without. That pieces or that item that will make you not sleep that night. That pieces or that item that you know that it will sell out in a sec, or that pieces or that item that you know that if you don't buy it on the first day, you will not see it ever again. So what I tend to do, I get those pieces first on the first day. The price would be reasonable high. It might be like 40% off, but if you really want it, you get it on the first day. For security purpose, you get it on the first day, it gets shipped to you, you have it in your home, and then you observe and watch the sale as it plays out, So normally, if it sells out, it might come back in stock, because Zara do bring stock back. They bring stuff back in stock. So it might come back in stock maybe 3 weeks later, and then you might get it at a very reasonable price again. And then what you do, you return the one that you bought 40% off. Lots of people do that. I personally don't do that. If I want to buy stuff, I buy it and that's it. I don't go back, returning stuff. That's the reason why I don't shop anymore on the first day. I shop like 3 weeks or 1 month after the sale has started. And next thing I'm going to say, you need to get to the app 20 minutes before time. So sometimes Zara will say their sale begins 9 o'clock in the evening. Like the sale that just started or the sale that's ongoing, it started 9 o'clock in the evening. I didn't partake in the sale, but I got notified of the times, But what they will do 15 minutes, 20 minutes before time, they'll open the gateway, because I think 1 hour before time, their whole website goes black. You can't explore, you can't check for stuff. So I think it's literally they're trying to prepare themselves so that the website doesn't crash. So and it won't come back until like 15 minutes before time or 20 minutes before time. So you need to keep refreshing your phone. Just keep refreshing it so that when it's time to go, you go. You don't waste any second. Guys, like for real, stuff do sell out. And they sell out like, you can't believe how fast. Like, that's the reason to start with, I don't shop on the first day. Because like, they give me a heart attack. You see your stuff just keep selling out. Like, you'll be like, what's happening here? Like, how many people are shopping these sales, So I don't shop the first day anymore. But we're still coming to that, So you make sure you are on the site 15-20 minutes before time. Tip is to ensure that your payment details are up to date, because when it's time to go, you don't have that time to start putting in your payment detail. Girl, you'll be left in that market all by yourself. So always make sure your payment detail with Zara is up to date, so that as soon as the trumpet sound, you are on your way to heaven. So I'm not kidding, I'm not capping. It's so important. The next tip is you have to be on it. When I say if you want to save yourself some coins, like I do save myself some coins and get the most important stuff that I want out of the sale to improve my whole shopping experience, you have to get on it. You have to be on that website every 5 minutes. I know some of you can't do it, but I can do it. And I'll give you some of the times when stuff do come back in stock. 12 midnight to 5 o'clock in the morning. Yes, you heard me right. I do watch night on Zara website. That's what I do. I don't sleep. I try and sleep like hours before, and I'm awake from 12 to 5 in the morning. Girl, if I tell you, if I want this stuff, I want it. I'm a Scorpio, There's no two way about it. Period. I don't cap. From 12 to 5, I'm awake. And then from 8 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning. And then in between, you can check like every 30 minutes if you want. That's what I do. If you want to save yourself some coins, that's what you gotta do. So that's very important. You have to be on it. You have to keep checking. I personally, shop quality stuff on Zara. I'm quite aware Zara do rubbish stuff too. I'm not lying. I'm not capping. I'm quite honest with it. They do rubbish stuff. But if you know what you're buying, if you know what you want, if you know how to shop, if you know the tips, if you know the secrets, you will get the best experience out of the sale. I would normally shop their very limited editions because they tend to be premium. They tend to be premium pieces, Those are stuff that will last you forever. Like some of the limited edition stuff, their wool content is very high. Their cashmere content is very high. Their cotton content is very high. Their linen content is very high, And those are the best fabrics, silk, So they really go all out in terms of their limited editions. So those are the things that you need to look out for, knowing what you want to shop, knowing the content of the fabric. You just don't go and buy anything on Zara. and they do a lot of beautiful blazers. I would say 90% of my blazers are all from Zara. I do dabble in mango. I do a little bit of mango. I think apart from Zara, the only other blazers that I have is from Mango. But 90% of my blazers are all from Zara. Yeah, they're from Zara. I would say 75% of my clothing or my pieces are from Zara. And then H&M, the premium quality ones, I would say 20% from H&M because they tend to do other brands that I like and other stories, and then Arquette, and then I would say 5% ASOS because they do other brands, and then I do love a bit of Karimina here and there. So Zara is where I buy majority of my clothes. So if you like my fashion sense, it's mostly from Zara. If you ask me, I'll tell you I buy them from Zara. Previously, I tend to buy stuff from Zara full price, but me becoming a mom and knowing fully well how to save my coins, I've become a lot more frugal with my money. I just don't go in and just buy stuff full price. I don't do that anymore. I tend to wait a couple of days before the sale begins. You just explore the website and see what they have, and that's the time you check the fabric content. That's the time you check, oh, these clothes, the sizing, is that going to fit my silhouette? Is that something that I want in my wardrobe? Is that going to work with alongside other stuff that I already have in my wardrobe? So that's the time for you to ask yourself all those questions. So when it's time for shopping the sale, you are all into it. So it's very important knowing what you want out of the sale, knowing what you need in your wardrobe. And I'll always say to shop your wardrobe first. See what you have in your wardrobe, so that when you're shopping the sale, you're not shopping endlessly. You're shopping with a goal in mind. I think that's all the tips and the tricks that I have for you guys. So guys, thank me later. I hope this video enhances your confidence in shopping the ongoing Zara sale. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe. Ciao. I'm out. Peace.
But she's somebody else.